Hi my beautiful family, you're welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making vegetable soup with ugu and water leaf. I've already made a video of vegetable soup, but I used just ugu. In fact, it was so amazing, the taste. In fact, I will drop the link in my description box so you go and watch it. So in today's video, I am not going to make this ugu and water leaf the regular way. There is going to be a twist which makes it taste greater than the usual. Here is my fresh cow skin from Periwinkle. This is the main twist here. This bell pepper gives this soup a very unique taste, and also it enhances the color of the soup. Scotch bonnet pepper and onion. Here is my beef, stockfish, vegetable, pumpkin leaf, water leaf. Right now I'm about cooking the proteins. Wow, I like using fresh cow skin for my soup, especially this particular recipe. It gives it a very unique sweet taste. Guys, my husband does not joke with this fresh cow skin. So I'm adding the stockfish now, but later I'll be bringing out the stockfish and the beef so we can give the pomo enough time to cook so well. Now I'm bringing out the stockfish and the beef. Guys, the taste of, I'll just cutting the meat so small. Oh, it's so delicious. The taste is, so I'm putting the pomo back on it to cook very well. So as that is happening, guys, you know what I usually do with my bell peppers. So I'll proceed to that now. If you've been following me on this channel, in fact, I don't need to be showing you this part because you already know what we do here. And at this moment, if you have not yet subscribed and you are still watching this video, please, what are you waiting for now? Just help me and click that subscription button, and also like this video, give it a thumbs up, and drop your comment in the comment section for me. So I'm about washing the water leaf. I prefer washing it, as in slicing up the water leaf before washing, because you know water leaf has this slimy stuff. So if I wash before slicing it up, it makes it sticky somehow. So I washed and washed and washed to be sure there is no sand left in the water leaf. Here I'm pouring the oil I'll be using in a clean pot. I'll allow it heat up, then add my onion. I sauteed the onion for like 2 minutes. So now our secret ingredient is going in, which is the pepper mix. I know this method of making vegetable soup is strange to some people, but when you're married to a man that loves vegetable soup so much, you wouldn't want to always serve him the regular vegetable soup. You would always think out of the box to find ways in which you can modify the taste of your soup. So guys, I'll meet the pomo you saw at the beginning. Look at how soft it is now, so tender. Please don't go and cook okute. don't go and cook stone. Make sure your pomo is as soft as you can see on the video. I'm going to be frying this proteins so that the taste of this sauce, this pepper sauce, will really get into them. Guys, you will love to try this. So I'm telling you, the taste is heavenly. So I'm bringing out the proteins out to be added towards the end of the video. So I'm adding the periwinkle. I'm somehow gonna fry this periwinkle in this sauce. So God, this inspiration like is wow. Fry some of the crayfish powder. I'll add the remaining towards the end. Our water leaf is going in now. This is actually like 2 minutes after I added the water leaf. Was it even up to 2 minutes? I'm not sure because I want you to still retain that greenish color. I'm adding the ugu leaf, the pumpkin leaf. So I'm adding our proteins. See guys, sorry, I added the meat stock. I added the beef stock off camera. I don't know why I did not show that part. So I just went in with the remaining crayfish. Oh my god, this soup is so delicious. We are done though. I just covered for like a minute for everything to come together because the soup needs to be fresh. The vegetables need to be fresh. They need to be gooey. I've turned off the heat now. And I'm already dishing it out. Guys, who wouldn't love this meal? Just pair it with any swallow of your choice and you have fresh blood. You'll be dreaming well. So please like this video, support this channel by liking this video, dropping your comments and subscribing if you're new to my channel. And to my returning subscribers, I owe you guys a lot. Thank you for always supporting this channel. I love you guys. Bye. See you in my next video.